How to log in into ING Direct online banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in ING Direct Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on this one website option, online banking, ING, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of ING Bank. Now at the top right, you will find this option of login. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. You have to provide your ING Bank credentials. Firstly, type in your client number. And over here, type in your access code. In the case you have forgotten your access code, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way, you can easily log in into ING Direct online banking account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.